kay mamá. Vamos nói nè. Cái đồ được gần nói nè.
Bro, can you give me some tissue, please?
Yeah, sure.
Actually, wait. I got it.
No. Blood of Jesus! What is this duty? I'm going back home. No.
What's going on here? What? Oh my god! See that?
Watch this.
What's going on here?
Oh my god!
No, it's in the house, mate. Stay away.